Good afternoon. Thank you for taking this meeting with me so that we can discuss your hazard analysis report. My name is Sharon Pettit. I'm with the University of New England, and we just wanted to go through what we found while in your shop. If you could, please don't hold your questions until the end so that we can get through your presentation as quickly as possible. Every job has inherent hazards. Some jobs are more hazardous than others. Despite these hazards, every worker has a right to a safe and healthy work environment. While the U.S. government has standards in place, ultimately the responsibility of a safe workplace lies with the employer under the General Duty Clause of the Occupational Safe and Health Act. As you know, the mechanic shop located on the main campus of the University of New England employs 15 people, 90% of which are men. Their ages range from 30 to 65 years of age. Workers in the mechanic shop change fluids and tires and perform other general maintenance duties on the fleet vehicles for the university. The shop has experienced 3 incidents of back injuries in the last 5 years that have resulted in 10 days of lost work for each incident. Most importantly, there is no safety committee. Due to rising concerns from employees, the Office of Occupational Health and Safety performed a hazard zones jobs checklist, then compiled those hazards along with recommendations to mitigate them to write a hazard analysis report. While performing the checklist, employees and managers were interviewed and work processes and the environment were observed. This brief presentation outlines the work that was done. While filling out the checklist, we asked questions like, what can go wrong? What are the consequences of the hazard? What is the trigger? And what else is going on in a mechanic shop that can contribute to the hazard? At the completion of the checklist, these are some of the harms that were found. Because back injury is an issue for the mechanic shop, we will start there. Other hazards found include noise, hand-arm vibration, trip hazard, and low decision latitude with the chief engineer. One of the first recommendations of the hazard analysis report is the creation of a safety committee. I'm very glad to be here today to present these findings to your newly formed committee. When putting this committee together, employees, supervisors, and managers should be on the team. A safety committee can create a plan of action for the workplace, foster a sense of social support, and provide a platform for all to present their ideas on how to make work better. A key person on the team is called a competent person. This person will have the knowledge, skills, and abilities to point out hazards and how to mitigate them based on OSHA standards. Secondly, for the report, we created a Haddon matrix. It's a science-based approach for identifying what could happen at 3 time phases on an injury. The matrix helps to identify the need to create rules or work policies for lifting heavy objects like the tires. Using the NIOSH lifting equation and specific measurements from each worker will determine a safe lifting index for each task. This should be the responsibility of the competent person on the safety committee. That's it in a nutshell. We thank you for the opportunity to present these findings to you, and we look forward to working with each of you as you move forward to a healthy and safe workplace in a mechanic shop. Thank you.